This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, November the 30th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see the storm system over the eastern Great Lakes into New England, bringing the rain and snow into that area. Another system bringing some snow over the northern plains and northern Rockies that'll bring us a few flurries or snow showers on Thursday. Watch warning map from just around midnight. Leftover winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings over the eastern Great Lakes. Winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings from the northern plains into the northern Rockies, with some winter storm watches in the central Rockies and into the desert southwest, where there are also some wind advisories and high wind warnings. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock. Shows quite a bit of precipitation coming through the state, with upwards of a half to maybe even 1 inch of liquid precipitation. Now, this is a GFS model of possible total snowfall over the next 5 days, and this could be quite significant, with a band of 5 to 8 inches across the central and to northeastern Iowa, with lighter amounts, with southeast Iowa seeing little if any. So let's take a look at this upcoming storm with the GFS Model Run at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see a trough moving into the Intermountain West, with the one lifting out through New England, taking the rain and snow with that, and some snow, light in nature, over Montana into North Dakota and into Idaho into the Intermountain West. Thursday, that's when the frontal system will come through here with a few light flurries or snow showers, little if any accumulation, and little travel expected or problems expected. Temperatures will cool off slightly as we head into Friday, but it should stay seasonal. Highs in the mid to upper 30s with lows in the 20s. Now we head to Saturday. This is Saturday evening at 6 o'clock. You can see a vortex coming into through the plains, with another one hanging back over the desert southwest. And at the surface, you can see here in color code that far southeast Iowa could stay all rain, while there could be a mix of rain, sleet, or snow from northeast through central into southwest Iowa, while northwestern Iowa could see some light to moderate snow. Heading into the overnight, this is midnight, you can see rain still mainly over southeast Iowa with a bit of a mix, and snow over the northern and western counties of the state, still light to moderate in nature. But by 6 p.m. Sunday evening, the storm has now moved off and the cold air comes down, and we could see maybe some 5 to 8 inch amounts. By Monday, the cold air really is entrenched into the state. Highs will drop into the 20s, with lows possibly in the single digits and maybe some low teens, and this is dependent on any snow cover we get. Heading into Tuesday of next week, cold air moves off to the east, so it should be slightly warmer, but not by much, maybe low 30s. And a week from today, there's a vortex just to the north over Canada, over mainly Saskatchewan and Manitoba province. We're under a westerly flow across the area, and that'll keep temperatures back at seasonal levels in the mid to upper 30s, with some southerly winds and staying dry through next week. We head further into the month of December. This is the 11th, another trough axis moving through, with a bit of a vortex moving in to the western Great Lakes. With that could bring some light snow showers or flurries, especially in Minnesota, maybe in northern Iowa, with the main batch of precipitation well off to our south and east and off to our west. And at the end of the forecast, on December the 14th, a bit of a trough with an access back into the Pacific Ocean west of Baja, and with that looks to be fairly quiet. Some snow over Colorado, some snow over the U.S.-Canadian border, and some rainfall over the south. So looks to be getting active heading into the month of December. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.